Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to remove your Instagram account from the Facebook Meta account center using latest update. So follow the instruction. First, open Facebook and go to your profile in the top right. Now scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and again tap on settings. Next, tap on account center. Then tap on manage account. Now select Instagram account you want to remove. Here tap on continue to move option. Again tap on continue and follow the on screen step. And that's it. Your account has been successfully removed from the account center connection. Thanks for watching.